To transfer data from iPhone to Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, what you can do is you can use the Smart Switch app that you can find in the Samsung folder in the app drawer. This is the app that we can use for free, of course. It is also an app that you will have to download on your iPhone, and it's going to be super easy to transfer all the data that you can, of course, because unfortunately not everything can be transferred. So on your iPhone, you want to go to the App Store, and then over here you can search for the Smart Switch. So search for Smart Switch and you should be able to find Samsung Smart Switch Mobile. This is the app that we want to download on our iPhone. And once you have it, of course, we want to open it. Over here we need to grant all the necessary permissions on both phones, of course. So of course do so. Now here we need to choose that we want to receive on this phone because we want to transfer from the iPhone to our Samsung. Here the source, the alt device, is of course our iPhone. And over here we can use the wireless method, the cable method, or we can get the data from iCloud. In my case, I'm gonna choose the wireless method. On here on the iPhone, we're gonna tap on Let's Go. I'm gonna choose the wireless option as well. You can also see what can be transferred in here. And then we can go next. We need to scan this QR code, so let's do so. And then confirm that you want to join the Wi-Fi. And now let's wait. And once both phones are connected together, you should be able to choose what you want to transfer. You can transfer images, videos, all different files that you have on your phone, contacts, calendar events, and so on and so forth. One of the things that you cannot transfer, however, are apps. So in the case of apps, you will have to go to the Play Store on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and you will have to download these apps by yourself that you want to use, of course. So in here, I'm gonna choose to transfer images and videos and then confirm that I want to transfer. And now we just have to stay on this phone in here and keep your phones close, of course. The more data you have, the longer it will take to transfer. I think that's pretty obvious, but still, I want to mention that. Once it is done, you can, of course, just take out your iPhone and you should be able to get all the data that you decided to transfer now on your Galaxy S26 Ultra. You can also find some additional information after transferring from iPhone, for example, you can get stuff from your iCloud once again, and some other stuff I'm gonna show you in a second. There we go. So first we have the transfer result. We can go next. There we go. Turn off iMessage. This is what we can do. This is one of the reminders. Then we can also get the iCloud data, and we are all set. You can also find some additional tips that you might want to use. So that's it. Leave a like and subscribe.